this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to create an AI animated talking avatar by making use of lexical art and other tools right here. So right here, guys, on lexicalarts.com, you want to simply just create a character. That is our character for our AI talking videos. A young boy standing. So let's simply type in this and simply go on to search right here. So right here, Lizuka Heart has been able to generate different images. So you want to simply select the particular images that fit your talking avatar. So right here, guys, I'm just going to select any of this right here and simply just download that particular image right into my device. Once you're done with that, the next thing, guys, you want to do, you want to simply select a YouTube bedroom background. So that's the next thing we want to simply select. That is the background of our AI talking avatar. So once you're done, click on to search right here and different images is just going to pop up right here. So this is it for the YouTuber bedroom background. As you can see, we have lots of them right here. So you want to simply select a particular background that have a lot of color and is looking so amazing. So right here, guys, I'm going to decide to make use of this. So you simply just tap on this particular image and click onto the download button, and this should be downloaded right into our device. So once you're done with this, the next thing, guys, you want to actually do is to go onto this platform called the remove.bg. What is a background that you can actually use to remove the background of all images. So guys, what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to drag in and drop in that particular image. So this is it right here. I'm just going to remove the background of this particular image right here within your images right here. So you simply just download. The next right here, simply drag in your avatar. So I'm just going to drag in my avatar right here. So guys, it is done. So you click on to download right here, and this should be downloaded right into your device. So once you're done downloading your avatar, the next thing, guys, you want to simply remove the mouth of this particular avatar. So you want to simply go onto this platform called the photopia.com. So all you want to do, simply drag and drop in that particular image. So once you're done uploading the image, you go onto the Sports Elite brush tool, you tap on that, then simply go onto the lips right, and you want to simply just tap, adjust, select your layer. So you go right here, tap on the layer right here. So once you're done with this, you want to simply come here and simply just remove this right here. So once you're done, you click onto file, go on to export as PNG, and this should be exported right into our device. Simply just go on to save. So guys, once you're done with all of this, simply go on to Canva right here, go click on to create design, go on to the custom size, and you want to make use of 1280 as our width and 720 as our height, and click on to create new design, and it's going to take you right onto this page. Simply go onto the upload section, and you want to simply just upload your talking avatar and your background right here, and you want to simply just generate the scene right here for your talking avatars. Once you're right, I'm just going to add this, set this as a background right here, my image. Then the next thing is to add in my avatar. I'm just going to adjust this right here. Next thing, I'm going to add in a table, that's a desk right here, adding my laptop on my microphone. So right here, guys, as you can see, we are done generating this. So the next thing, guys, simply go onto the share button and download this particular images right into your device as a PNG file right here. So once you simply just download this, the next thing, guys, you want to do, you want to simply go onto the CapCut editing platform, whereby you simply need to import your video, your images downloaded from Canva, and your matte green screen right here. This is it right here. So I'm just going to drag and drop in this particular image. So you just adjust this a bit. Next, add in your green screen right here. So I'm just going to come right here, guys. All I want to do right now is to cut out the first part of the green screen right here. So I'm just going to delete this, then adjust. Next is to simply just make sure that your green screen and your image are in line with each other. So go into the split section and delete the extra parts right there. So once you're done with this, you want to simply tap on your matte green screen right here, go onto the cutout section, enable the Chrome key, and next, choosing your color picker, tap on this right here. Make sure your strength is more than 80, your shadow more than 60 right here. You want to simply just adjust this. So once you're done, this is it. So you want to simply adjust this right here to your avatar. So let's simply just adjust this. Okay, now simply muting your matte green screen, and let's simply play this. guys, this is it right here, and we have been able to generate a talking avatar. So you can easily add in a background music and the voiceover right here. But guys, this is how you can easily create an AI talking avatar using CapCut, from making use of the lexical art up to the remove.bg, up to Photopia, Canva right here, and up to the CapCut video editing tool. So simply follow this process if you want to simply learn how you can easily create an AI animated talking avatars.